Welcome to Rome Tech. If you're into exploring the world of decentralized technology, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into MetaMask, your gateway to the decentralized web. Located at MetaMask.io, MetaMask is essentially a bridge that connects your regular web browser to the blockchain. Think of it as a passport to the exciting world of decentralized applications, or DApps. Instead of relying on centralized platforms, MetaMask empowers you to manage your digital identities and assets directly. This means you have greater control over your data and online interactions. It acts as a secure vault for your digital keys, enabling you to interact with DApps seamlessly and securely. By integrating with your browser, MetaMask provides a user-friendly interface for signing transactions, managing your cryptocurrencies, and accessing a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications. Whether you're exploring decentralized finance, DeFi, collecting digital art, NFTs, or participating in decentralized governance, MetaMask is an essential tool. The platform prioritizes security, allowing you to store your private keys locally and encrypting them with a password. This ensures that you, and only you, have access to your digital assets. MetaMask also offers various customization options, allowing you to tailor the experience to your specific needs and preferences. With MetaMask, you're not just browsing the web, you're actively participating in a decentralized future. It's more than just a browser extension, it's a key to unlocking a world of new possibilities. So, head over to MetaMask.io and begin your journey into the exciting realm of Web3.